Hello techies, I hope you guys are doing well. This is Tech House. I think you guys pretty well know about the company called Nothing. It is founded by the former co-founder of OnePlus. He is Carl Pei. The company Nothing has already launched its first ever product Nothing AI1. It stands for truly price for value product. Nothing has launched its wireless earbud in competition to the Apple AirPods. Since Carl Pei founded the company OnePlus, OnePlus is well known for its good phone, let's say a flagship killer. Although now the phone from OnePlus are priced nearly at $1000, which is a flagship price itself. Now the company Nothing has teased the phone concept one. Let's have a look on the teaser which was teased by the Nothing of phone concept one. This is just the concept phone. It may comes to the reality, but it is clear now that Nothing will soon step into the smartphone business. Comment down if you guys are interested and what do you expect from the Nothing phones. Also, if you wanna see tech related video earlier, make sure to subscribe this channel. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. I'll see you around. Peace.